Hello, my dear students. Welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to read a very important topic of word power, that is prefix. Students, what is prefix? A prefix is an affix which is placed at the beginning of a root word or a word to modify its meaning. For example, student, MIS, mish. Miss is a prefix which can add to in the beginning of a number of word for a meaning. Which is the meaning of mish? Bad, badly, wrong, wrongly, opposite or lack of something. For example, student, fortune. And for bad fortune, what we can say? Misfortune. Understand. For bad understanding, what we can say? Misunderstand. Quote. For bad quote, what we can say? Misquote. Trust. For not trusting, what we can say? Mistrust. So here, student, we have got that what is prefix? Once again, a prefix is an affix which is placed at the beginning of a root word or any word to modify its meaning, means to change its meaning. Here, student, one example is given of miss prefix, and what is the meaning of miss? Bad, badly, wrong, wrongly, an opposite or lack of meaning. And here the meaning is given here, fortune, and the opposite of fortune is misfortune, that is bad fortune. Understand, misunderstand, that is bad. Quote, misquote means bad quote. Trust, mistrust, that is the opposite of trust. So here it is clear that what is prefix. Now student, here there is a list of some prefix and its meaning and the word that is made from the prefix. So number one is what? A. What is the meaning of a, student? Students, the meaning of a is not, without, opposite to. For example, a moral, a political, aesthetic. Now next one, student, after. What is the meaning of after? Coming, happening, and afterward. And the word is, student, with help of after dinner, after save, after birth. Now what is the meaning of after dinner? Means after dinner. After what? Dinner. After save means after what? Save. After birth means after what? Birth. Now next one, student, all. What is the meaning of all? All, students, meaning of all is combined with number. It combines with nouns and adjective to form the new adjective. There is no any meaning, but it makes a new adjective. For example, all action, all new, all white, all party. So here we have got new words with the prefix all. Now the next prefix is anti. Student, what is the meaning of anti? Opposed or against or preventing. For example, anti-abortion. Next one, anti-marriage. Next one, anti-aesthetic. Next one, anti-terrorism. So student, here anti means opposed, against or preventing. Now next one, student, auto. What is the meaning of auto? Auto means working by itself or by oneself. For example, autopilot, autobiography, autonomy, autofocus, and automatic. So here what is the meaning of auto? Auto means working by itself. Now next one, student, bi. Bi means two or twice. For example, bilingual means two languages. Bi-monthly means two times, twice in a month. Bicycle means cycle with two wheels. Bigamy. Here again, bigamy means two marriages. Bite is again a word here. So student, here what is the meaning of by? Two or twice. In the sense of two or twice, by prefix is used. Now the next prefix, students, co. What is the meaning of co? Co means together or with. For example, co-writer, co-ownership, co-education, coexist, co-star. So student, here what is the meaning of co in these words? Together or with. Now next one, bio. Connected with life and living things. What is the meaning of bio? Connected with life and living things. For example, bioethics, antibiotics, biochemistry, biography, biology. So student, here what is the meaning of bio? Connected with life and living things. Now next one, prefix call, com and con. Here again it means together or with. For example, collect, collide, combine, conquer, company. So student, here the meaning is together or with. Now next one, next prefix is student contra. What is the meaning of contra? Acting against or opposite to something. For example, contraceptive. Next one, contradict. Next one, contrary. Next one, contraflow. So here what is the meaning of contra? Contra means acting against or opposite to something. Now next one, student, counter. The prefix is counter. Counter is used in the sense of as a reaction to or in opposition to. For example, counteract. Next one, counter argument. Next one, counter attack. Next one, counter question. So here what is the meaning of these? Counter, as it is the opposite of the word. It is the opposite of the action and opposite of the word. Now next one, student, cross. This is the last prefix of this video lecture, student, cross. So what is the meaning of cross here? Going across a particular thing or going between two things and joining them. For example, cross border. It means going across border. Cross country means going across country. Cross examine means going between examination. Cross question means going on between questions. So here student, we have got prefix, some prefix, the list of prefix, the meaning and the words. In this video lecture, student, we have got a list of prefix, their meaning and words. In the next video lecture, I will come with another prefix, meanings and words. So thanks for watching the video. Share my video, comment it, like it and share with your friends. Thank you once again.